What if we were to use a solar panel to power a dashcam instead? Then, during parking mode surveillance, the dashcam won't drain the car battery to record security footage. I will put this to the test with these two solar panels and this VIOFO Dashcam.
Frakking Creations, showing you the good stuff.
Please pause to read the disclaimer. Here I have both solar panels set up outside the vehicle for optimum sunlight. I have the large solar panel connected to this battery monitor so that I can see how much power is being generated or being used. The car battery has been disconnected from the battery monitor because I only want the solar panel powering everything. I connect the VIOFO HK3 hardwire cable to the setup so that I can power the dashcam. But as soon as I plug in the hardwire cable into the setup, I see that the battery monitor is powering on and off repeatedly. It seems that the large solar panel is not able to supply enough power to the battery monitor and the hardwire cable at the same time. So I will have to rewire everything and take out the battery monitor. This time, I connect the solar panel directly to the hardwire cable of the VIOFO Dashcam and plug it into the dashcam. It looks like the dashcam isn't able to fully power up. It tries to start up but then resets. I tried this many times but with the same result. It looks like powering a dashcam using this particular solar panel will not work, even on a clear sunny day with the solar panel installed outside the vehicle. Technically, this should have worked. Now, I'm wondering if this solar panel is even able to generate enough power for the dashcam. In our ultimate dashcam parking mode test video, I compared the power usage of the ThinkWare U3000 against the Blackview DR770X and this VIOFO A129 Plus. From there, we know that in parking mode, the VIOFO A129 Plus Dual uses between 270 to 330 milliamps of power. So if I have a solar panel that can generate more than that, then technically it should be able to power the dashcam. This solar panel is a 12 volt 20 watt solar panel. It is rated to output a max of about 1.15 amps or 1150 milliamps. This means that it should be able to easily power the A129 Plus. So I test the actual output of the solar panel. On a clear sunny day like today, it was able to generate 1.09 amps or 1090 milliamps. So we know that it is very close to its rated max output and should be able to power the VIOFO A129 Plus easily. Now, I'm wondering if the A129 Plus is using a lot more power just to power up. Naturally, I next test the power draw of the dashcam on boot up. We see that it doesn't use more than 320 milliamps, so this is puzzling for me. I don't have a larger solar panel to test with, so is this the end? Some of you viewers may be a little nerdy and are screaming at me to combine both solar panels. And that's exactly what I did next. When the panels are connected in parallel, the voltage output stays around 12 volts, but the power output is a total of both solar panels. At this time, the small panel is outputting about 40 to 60 milliamps. The large panel is outputting about 1030 milliamps. Combined, they output 1.09 amps or 1090 milliamps. Interestingly, this was enough to power the VIOFO A129 Plus this time. I'm not sure why the large panel on its own wasn't able to power the dashcam when it was outputting the same amount earlier. I want to take a quick second to ask that if you are enjoying this video, please like and share it to help us grow our channel. Subscribe for more good stuff to come. Now, if solar panels can power a dashcam, then why don't dashcams use solar power? The first reason is the size. Just to power a dashcam, you can see that you need a solar panel that is pretty big. Second, solar panels also need clear skies. When it gets cloudy or if the solar panel is behind a window or window tint, it might not generate enough power and the dashcam will shut down. Third, even if you have clear skies, the sun also moves across from east to west throughout the day. You may not be able to park with the solar panel directly facing the sun the whole time. And fourth, this won't work at night. Therefore, the better solution might be to pair the solar panel with the battery. In the next episode of this series, we will see if pairing the solar panel with the vehicle battery is a solution that will work better. The dashcam should now have consistent power. Plus, we might even be able to charge the battery and power the dashcam at the same time.